Southside, what it do, man? I'm out here with my nigga D-Man from Thug Mafia, the real Southside legend right here. I'm out here in front of motherfucking players, motherfucking barbershop, nigga. I'm on the Southside, nigga. I told y'all I'd be everywhere, nigga. I'm coming live from MLK. This my motherfucking nigga right here, D-Man. Let them niggas know about that Thug Mafia, man, and what y'all got going on, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, what's happening? This D-Man is Max Jurius, you know what I'm saying? Dead End representative. TMF family, you know what it is, you know what I'm saying? Fuck with my nigga B Fetty, Fix Your Face Entertainment, you know what I'm saying?
Already.
Y'all see what I'm holding?
Y'all see what he got. Y'all need to get one.
See that? Get a good look.
Look, they need to get that motherfucker quit playing. But anyway, y'all need to,
just need to fix their motherfucking face. So, you know what I'm saying? My true nigga from the South Side got niggas fixing their faces, you know what I'm saying? So if they places in their dick, your face gets fixed. You smell me?
Goddamn right. D-Man, you been in the game a minute, man. You go back to the shortstop days, want to be a baller when that real bread was out here on the South Side. Let these niggas know how far you go back in that game and what you got new coming out, man.
I go back like old man hairline. You know what I'm saying? Talking about way back, you feel me?
Already.
I go back to when we was calling Fat Pat and Crime Boss and all these OGs by their real name, and I was a little bitty nigga, you feel me? And I've been on the side of Screw. I was right there with Screw, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? R.I.P. to my big bro, you know what I'm saying? Screw, Mello, Big Steve, all these cats, Hawk, they had me under their wings for real, man.
Straight up.
Check the history, man, you know what I'm saying?
Well, look here. Y'all fuck with my nigga D-Man. Y'all fuck with Thug Mafia. These niggas be everywhere. They be putting it down.
Yeah, we doing our thing, man. Young, Rich, and Thuggin', man. That's what we putting out right now. We got about 8, 9 videos coming attached to the album, you know what I'm saying, which is really a mixtape. But, you know, we do shit album style, but it's a mixtape, you know what I'm saying? And it's super jamming, man. But, you know, I'm going to let the music speak for itself.
Well, hey, D-Man, where can they find the motherfucking links at, man? Where they got to go to find this
ThugMafiaTV.com.
It's on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
All right, now look here.
Hip Hop and all that, man.
Okay, what y'all motherfuckers need to do is go to motherfucking YouTube right now and check my nigga D-Man and Thug Mafia.
Check out our newest video, man. Our latest video is Hot This Fresh, you know what I'm saying? Doughboy Money. Just type in, you know what I'm saying, official video, Thug Mafia, Doughboy Money. That's D-O-E-B-O-Y, Money.
Already.
Hey, we got a lot of great features, too, man. We got Zero, you know what I'm saying? Everybody loves Zero. You know that's my nigga. We got Gutter from Young Money, you know what I'm saying?
Already. Shout out to Gutter. That's a good nigga,
We got 6 Man from New Orleans, you know what I'm saying? We got the original Thug Mafia family. All these guys is Thug Mafia family, you feel me?
Straight up.
So, you know, we got Superstar, the Street Boss, you know what I'm saying? We got Cinestar, the Rock Man, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We got AJ, the original free baller, you know what I'm saying? Of course, me, D-Man, is Max Jurius.
So what's up? I know.
And we got TMI on the boat with us, you know what I'm saying? TMI boys, man.
Yeah.
Shout out to my nigga TMI, Dudell, and all my boys from TMI, man. They fucking with us up.
Now what's up? I already know.
You know what I'm saying? You know, let's stay busy, you know what I'm saying? Oh, shout out to Brick Man, too, man. What's up, Brick Shaker? Hey.
Already. Well, look, we finna sign up out. We got money to get. We're gonna fuck with y'all later. D-Man, shoot the world the deuce right quick. Already.